Namaskar. Let's explore this Tukra, the Rangmanch ka Tukra, step by step. It is the very beginning of your repertoire, therefore the confidence level in your anga or the body alignment has to be absolutely accurate so that you can engage your audience. And if you start well, the finish will always be better. Let's get into the Utpatti position. Heels together, toes apart, body straight, look straight ahead. First step is you go forward, one step forward, look to your right. Elbow stretched, the left elbow stretched on the left, the right extended all the way, body straight. Another step forward, there you are. Bring it back. So once again, heels together, toes apart, body straight, step forward on your right, and then go on your left. Bring it back. Open your hands straight so that you cannot see your left if you were standing right ahead. Open them forward, take them down in a circle. Now the steps here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8-step chakra. First you go right and left, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That finishes the first part. Go again, tap and tap. Stretch your arm at the back. This left elbow diagonally in the corner, and stretch your arm, chin corresponding to your wrist, to your right wrist. Elbow stretched, there, take it 1. The other side, 2. The footwork is just a tap. Te-iya, 2. Number 3, this left hand goes down, the right hand turns in this position, almost like the head of a cobra. Te-iya, stretch your leg and toe touching the floor. Bend towards your right toe. 1. And the other side, once again, right down and left this way. Te-iya. Let's do this again. Te-iya, bring it back. Te-iya, bring it back. Left down, right on the side. Te-iya, te-iya. Now Kran is a Klandha movement with the wrists. So you jump up almost like someone is pulling you from your core, as a cat would jump probably to get to the moon, right? That posture. Kran, turn this way. Kran. Now let's go up to here once again slowly. Tat, tat. Bring it back and open your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. A right and a left on the spot. Te, stretch, te, and bend, te, and te. Jump, kran, kran. Now there are 2 ways of doing kran. One is a simple jump, the other one is 1. So jump on your right, let your right leg touch the floor and the heel goes like that. Kran, that's the jump. Kran, kran. You can use both, whatever suits you. Once again, right and left and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and te-iya, 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 te-iya. Kran, kran. Tat, tat. Now you have to travel diagonal to your right. If that's the path you have to take, turn your body in this position. Open your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you travel this way. Once again. Ta, te, te, tat. A, te, te, tat. 1, 2, and a namaskaram on your right. Let's go back to do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Eye contact with those who are sitting on your right. Now you move to your left. Come to center. Tat, tat. Now move to your left. Again, it's a diagonal. You've done the right one. Now you're going to the left diagonal. So this is the path you're going to follow. Open your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, eye contact. A circular movement of the palms, adab, leg back, bend, eyes down, and look up. Let's do this again from here. Tat, tat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tat, tat, thei. Right? So we've addressed the right side of the audience and the left side of the audience. Let's do this once again. Going to your right. Tat, tat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Done. Let's come to the center now. Tat, tat. Now, instead of taking a simple chakkar, give it a vyapti movement, a petal, a daisy petal movement. Turn your body back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 1. It's almost like you're opening of the flower petals and dropping them down in the center on your stage. Let's do the last bit again. Tat, tat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So that is the entire composition of the Rangmanch ka Tukra. It does talk about taking 8 steps forward and then going back, then going on your diagonal and back, then the left diagonal and back, and then in center where you actually shower the petals to your stage, giving the salutation to the stage that is supporting you to present your art form. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will be uploading a new video every Wednesday. So, subscribe to this channel and stay connected. You can also like, comment, share, and send your feedback. Happy dancing!